Okay, so just what are co-requisite courses? So let's say, for example, you're a college student, someone who might have a hard time with subjects like reading, writing, or math, like a really hard time. So you want to take regular classes for your degree, but you can't just yet because your reading, writing, or math test scores don't meet the minimum requirements to take that regular class. You could try taking a developmental class first, but that takes more time and you might forget everything you've learned by the time you sign up for the regular class. Or you could take a co-requisite class. So the cool thing about a co-requisite class is that it pairs the developmental class with a regular class, such as developmental math and college algebra, or developmental writing and English. This will give you a deeper understanding of the subject at the same time you're taking the class. This means you'll have two professors working with you during the semester, one to work with you on learning the basics, and the other to help you put this information into action. It's like learning how to make cupcakes while you're making cupcakes. Who doesn't like cupcakes? Co-requisite courses get you the support you need when you need it. They help you jumpstart your future by allowing you to take regular college classes a lot sooner and without the wait. They give you the chance to apply the skills you learned before you forget them and increases your success as a student. For more information about co-requisite courses, please speak with an academic advisor.